Hey, I'm Supats, lifelong solopreneur. Now living my life with only one passion to help solopreneurs to launch their digital products on fast track so that they can be profitable as fast as within 1 week, and they want to scale, they can join the membership. And as a bonus, I show them how they can sell their digital products all over the world using affiliates. Without further delay, let's get started. Excited to be over here. Excited to be over here. I'm always excited because I'm sharing the proven strategies which will help you in your business and in your personal life, so that you will have better life, better business, more fulfilled life. You can live your dream life better. I'm just excited. So what are we covering today? Today we are covering in the health area, because health is also important part. And that's why I do my presentations. I give my presentations on treadmill. It's not like that I really have a love affair with treadmill. If I go to gym, I never go to treadmill. But my daughter gifted me this treadmill, and I love it because I can build my business and still I can take care of my health. And the speed is not that high, but hey, at least a little bit of walking is better than just sitting and doing any work, because sitting is a silent killer. That is what, yeah, new research shows. So I want to set by example that you can take care of your health and still you can build thriving business. So hey, some might say I'm not professional because I'm on treadmill and I'm giving presentations, but I'm not here to be professional. I'm here to set an example. I'm here to help solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners, especially who are struggling in their business, who want to grow big time. And that's why I'm here. So I want to relate to them. I want to show them by example. I'm here more personal and not professional. So that's my disclaimer before we get started into our presentation. So what's our presentation today? Today it is about reboot your energy and boost your productivity. Yeah, we want to be productive, right? Yeah, because we wear so many hats, and yeah, we have only 24 hours a day, and how much time we can really devote to our business. So if we are more productive, that would be better. And hey, I know productivity tools means people might be thinking, oh, she's going to talk about AI. Of course, AI can increase your productivity, but I'm talking more about practical detox guide for entrepreneurs and the simple detox. I'm not telling you complex way of detox. There are so many ways. Means basically, yeah, like you should sit like 30 minutes in sauna 4 times a week. That is what I heard somewhere, that it is a great detox, but many people may not have that much time in, yeah, their schedule, or they may not have even access to sauna. So I'm just giving you here practical guide which you can implement in your daily routine. So, as an entrepreneur or small business owner, your energy is more valuable as an asset, right? Yet, many of you face daily struggles and drain your focus and lower your output. Imagine transforming your productivity by simply resetting your body and mind through natural time tested practices. These are really, really simple. You can, yeah, put in your daily routine very easily. And these are the common challenges you might be facing. And instead of saying you, means we all, right? We can say, because I walked in your shoes before. So feeling constantly fatigued despite enough rest. I mean, you might have slept like 8 hours a night, but still morning you may wake up not totally charged. You might be still feeling drained, and this presentation will give you solution for that. Struggling with mental fog and lack of clarity during work hours, because as an entrepreneur we are so overwhelmed, there's so many things going on. So the mental fog and overwhelm and all, it's more than real. It is, it is every day's yeah, in the living. The experiencing high stress levels that affect decision making. Stress is number one killer because stress can increase any disease in your body. So that's why. So research might say no, heart disease. Some might say cancer. But if there is stress, it can, yeah, it can increase any of the disease in your body. So reducing stress is so vital, so important. And battling inconsistent energy swings throughout the day. Yeah, means I can understand, means after dark you may not have that much of energy, and that is quite natural. But in the morning or even early afternoon, if you're feeling drained, yeah, that shouldn't happen, right? Difficulty maintaining a balanced diet tailored to your unique needs. Yeah, means as a new business owner, if you are putting a lot of time into your business, you may not have time to, yeah, create your healthy meals. And sometimes you will have, you choose the option just grab and go, and or packaged food and all, and they may not be that healthy for you, right? So balanced food is so important, and being surrounded by negative influences that drain your motivation. During COVID time, we learned that if you want to catch a cold, yeah, associate with people who already have cold. So same thing, if you associate with negative people, yeah, it's quite natural that their energy will rub off on you, and that may drain you down. Missing simple and yeah, still effective ways to recharge without expensive tools in programs. So let's find out those tools. So this presentation offers you practical actionable solutions to these pain points by focusing on natural detox methods and productivity boosters that fit into your busy entrepreneur lifestyle. Let's get started. And my presentation, I always like to provide key supporting data and success stories. And success stories are into various kinds of businesses, and so they are proven. So if they work for them, why it won't work for you? And when I'm talking about business owners, it's not just for business owner. Even if you don't have a business, and if you're yeah, you are a housewife or you are a busy mom, still you can implement these strategies into your daily life to increase productivity, because productivity doesn't mean just business productivity. Productivity is in every area of your life. So practice grounding to reconnect and recharge. So research shows that walking barefoot on natural surfaces reduces inflammation and improves sleep quality. To elaborate or tell into details, the research really recommends that early in the morning, at the time of sunrise, if you go barefoot on a lawn, and those dewdrops in the morning, actually, they are really, really good for your energy. And so you may have backyard or front yard or somewhere access to park nearby if it is possible. Yeah, at the time of sunrise, try that. But if that is not possible, if it doesn't fit into your schedule, yeah, just uh, yeah, do this way, that walking barefoot on natural surfaces, yeah, it will reduce your inflammation, it will improve your sleep quality. A health coach running an online wellness platform reported a 30% increase in daily focus after incorporating grounding walks into her routine. So if it worked for her, hey, yeah, you can give a chance for yourself too. A small ecotourism business owner noticed reduced stress levels and better creativity after daily barefoot walks in the park. So, do you want to give this a try? Yeah, please do so if you are seeking for this particular result. Because everything is based on result, like what transformation we want, what results we want. use herbs and therapies to support body function. So actually, there are so many herbs and so many therapies. I'm not going to get into details of that, and it all depends on the body type. But there are some common herbs; those are good for all body types, like ashwagandha and turmeric. Actually, we call turmeric, but I heard mostly people calling here turmeric. So anything means basically you can just say whatever way you want, but you got the idea. And those are really great herbs for anti-inflammation, and they are proven to reduce cortisol level and improve energy metabolism. Most of the time, we start our day with early morning coffee, and I don't want to get into details of that, but you can do the research and find out early morning coffee, and especially too many cups of coffee early in the morning, and the cortisol level, and you will understand why many of the problems you have are they related to your coffee consumption, and can you switch to this kind of herbs therapy and just see how it works. And sometimes people are not willing to leave their early morning coffee and all. Hey, then during the daytime sometime you can start using these herbs, and just, yeah, if you are having a protein shake or something, start putting these herbs, or whatever way. Be creative, and there are many recipes. They are there on TikTok and YouTube and all. You can go and find those recipes. Actually means right now if I can start giving recipes, it will be just beyond the scope, because I just want to finish a presentation. Maximum time it's 30 minutes. I don't want to go beyond that because I respect your time, but I'm just giving you the guidance. You want more detailed information, you can do the research and find out what is suitable for you. A boutique skincare entrepreneur integrated herbal supplements and experienced a 25% drop in burnout symptoms after 3 months. No, I'm not here to suggest any particular supplements, but if you are going for supplements, just look whether they are organic and not chemically made, means they are plant extracts, and that is what I would say. But if you don't want to go for supplements, hey, you can get powder form of all these herbs, and you can incorporate into your recipes and diets, and find which are really more suitable for your body type. A local cafe owner used herbal teas to boost immunity and reduce sick days by 40%. Yeah, there are so many immunity boosting teas. Yeah, you can find out. And there are like a tulsi tea. Tulsi means basically basil, and it depending on what kind of flavor you like, you can have a mint. There are various things. You can just find out. So I'm just here to give you overall idea, so that when you want to be serious about your health, yeah, start implementing these tips. Maintain a diet tailored to your unique body type. Now this is more like ayurved concept, but no, there are so many diets, and depending on the body type, and there might be different names and different things. So I'm not a certified nutritionist, so I cannot tell you this is the best and this is better, this is not good. But I'm here just sharing my personal experience, and I'm sharing the data, research, and the success stories. So you are smart enough, you can find out more information. Okay, Google is there. Personalized nutrition improves digestion and mental clarity, essential for sustained productivity. Now, there is actually no one detox book we followed, that is 7 Day Detox Miracle, and that detox, like first couple of days of fasting, then 5 days of just restricted diet and all. And I did it, and my husband also did it. His back pain was gone, and then I was telling about that detox to one of my friends. So she also did the same detox, and then she realized that she had allergy to tomatoes, and she couldn't believe it because tomato was like an integral part of her diet. Means, yeah, means you make pasta. Her pasta was always with tomato based sauce, and pizza, of course, tomato based. And she was growing tomatoes in her backyard, and she just couldn't believe it. And when she realized that, because the detox is designed in such a way that 5 days, whatever diet they mention, and after that you add one element into your diet and just see how your body reacts. And she tried that and she realized it, and she just couldn't believe her pain was gone the moment she stopped taking tomatoes. And I don't know exactly what her condition was and all, but everything based on your body type, you find what is good for you. So personalized nutrition improves digestion and mental clarity. In her case, yeah, it took away her pain because when she improved her diet, it's really essential for sustained productivity. A freelance graphic designer followed a diet suited for her constitution and reported better energy consistency and mood stabilization. A tech startup founder optimized his meals and cut afternoon slumps by half. I also remember Steve Jobs' story. Actually, my husband was working with Apple, and that time Steve Jobs was going through his treatments, and my husband would tell, okay, how Steve Jobs has become, he has become vegan, and how he does this and that and all. But in his case, it was too late to implement all the changes. So but he was trying really hard to improve his health. But I'm just telling you right now, means you may not have that many problems, so it might be really the best time for you to start implementing. So I'm just telling you here about the tech startup. He optimized his meals and he saw the difference. Practice stress reducing techniques, meditation, prayer, and music. The meditation and prayer and music, those things are now accepted by main means all the main line of medicine and all, because I attended South Asian Heart Center's conference, and every heart specialist was coming on stage and he was telling, add meditation into your routine so that you will take control of your blood pressure. Every doctor, and I was really surprised because few years back when I was working into pharmaceutical industry, none of the doctors were ready to take those suggestions. But now even many doctors, they really vouch even for prayer, and they say, they even they tell their family members to pray. It's because you want all the positive force working for you. And music also, music, I attended one concert just a couple of weeks back, and that the main the music player, actually he was telling that he started posting his videos on Instagram, and they just started going viral, and people were DMing him that, this music actually gave me a peace, this gave me um, really happiness. And then one person mentioned that my daughter was in hospital, and your music really gave me hope and all. So music therapy is really good. So because music gives you happiness, so of course good music. So start implementing, and you can have your nice background music on soft note going on, and you can do your work. That itself will elevate your mood. So meditation and sound therapy lower stress hormones and increase focus. These are all proven techniques. And you go into any kind of culture, almost every culture has some way or other incorporated into their religious books. Everywhere actually it is mentioned, but we just got too busy, so many things got forgotten. We are reviving all those points again into our life to make our life better. An online education business owner who added daily meditation and nama chanting saw a 50% reduction in anxiety and improved client interaction. This is so important because you are you are not getting actually fumbled by small things. And I'm not getting religious here. I always say that I'm spiritual but I'm not religious, because there is a difference between being spiritual and being religious. I studied many religions, and I found that most religions say the same, only the words or names are different, and even stories are same. You will find the same stories, and I have no idea why people fight about mine is better than yours. Everything is created by God, and what is yours? Hey, next life you might be in totally different religion, so why are you fighting mine is better than yours? No, there is no need. Everything is created by God, so just take the best from every place and leave the rest. And hey, you have really short period over here, enjoy your life, right? So that is just thing which worked for me. I'm just sharing my experience, okay? So handmade craft entrepreneur use traditional instrument playing to manage stress and boost creativity. You might be having, yeah, your favorite pieces of music. Yeah, why don't you play that? Stay positive to enhance mental resilience. So, positive thinking rewires your brain for better problem solving. And the current situation, the situation doesn't change. The situation doesn't change, but your outlook towards the situation changes, and then you are prone to have more solutions. Because if the situation is the same, the negative attitude will give you all the negative points, and that's not going to solve the problem. But if you have positive attitude, that will give the solution, and then you are more prone to solve the problem, and we want to solve the problem, right? So the positive thinking is so important. A consulting firm owner implemented daily gratitude journaling and noticed improved team morale and client satisfaction. As far as we are living, nothing is going to be perfect. Even neither as a human being, nobody is going to be perfect, nor the situations. And every situation, every condition will have some pros and cons. And if you focus on cons, the cons will increase. If you focus on pros, pros will increase. And yeah, you can be grateful. And for example, when I was bedridden and I was in total pain, but still I practiced gratitude that okay, I saw today's morning, because there were many people in this world they didn't see today's morning, but I at least saw the morning. Yeah, even though I'm in pain right now, but hey, I can take some painkiller, or I can do proper stretches or my exercises, the pain can reduce. But at least I got the gift of today's day and I can utilize it to make life my life better, and hey, people around me also, if I can help them in some way or other. And just that attitude, I think, made me recover. And I got a bonus life. I was totally bedridden for 1 year, and I got a bonus life. And that bonus life I wanted to devote for solopreneurs. So I started blogging to give them free resources, and then my blogs got a lot of traction. People said, we love your blogs, why don't you make podcast and YouTube channel? And that's how everything got started, and now I'm thoroughly enjoying it. So daily gratitude, it's very Simple, just morning before getting out of your bed, just think 5 things you are grateful for. If you're not used to it, it might be hard initially, but hey, later on, once you start making list, your list will never stop. It will just keep on going and going and going. And gratitude journaling is also great. So there are many ways, means you can use gratitude. And for entrepreneurs, I always say that before getting out of bed, you just visualize all your meetings or appointments or whatever is coming up. Just visualize that everything is giving you the best possible result. And so that is the signal you are sending to universe, and universe will work hard to give you that kind of output, because you are giving the signal clearly. So this is what worked for me. I'm just sharing my proven strategy. So, a consulting firm's story here, the owner implemented daily gratitude journaling and noticed improved team morale and client satisfaction. And you can do even gamification, that if you are working with team, just make sure they are implementing whatever tips and points you are recommending them to do. So whoever actually finished the challenge for that day, yeah, they can be actually added into some kind of lucky draw, and they can be gifted. So there are various things. So just make sure, if you are suggesting your team to do something, make sure they are doing it and give some kind of incentive, so that they are motivated. And once it becomes practice, yeah, then they really don't need motivation. But initially, yeah, those tactics really work. Avoid negative people and build supportive network. This is so critical, especially for solopreneurs, because nobody understands solopreneur, neither their friends nor family. If they are not solopreneurs, they don't understand solopreneurs. Yeah, you are working late night in your home office, your spouse will come and ask you, why are you still working? And you cannot even tell your spouse that I'm working because I want to give you some extra options, because initial stages you may not have that much to show for. And your friends might be going out for party and you are stuck here at the appointments, you cannot tell your friends. And that's why you need supportive network people, yeah, with the same feathers, yeah, because then you can, yeah, understand each other. You see how others are going through the challenges, how they are overcoming, so that you can implement the same thing. You need a mentor who can look at your blind spots and guide you. Also, it's always to learn from your mistakes. It's really good, but better to learn from somebody else's mistakes. And your mentor tells you what works, what doesn't work. You will do your mistakes anyway, but hey, at least you know what not to do. So you will get a shortcut for success. The surrounding yourself with positive influences increases motivation and accountability. And that's why I have even two communities. One is actually free joint venture group on Facebook and LinkedIn, where there are already hundreds of entrepreneurs eager to help each other. And so if you have any offer, you can join these communities or anything. There are actually, I also have a free course, 27 ways to collaborate. So you can choose one or two ways of collaborating with others, and you create a win-win situation. You help each other out and grow each other's business. So that's a really great thing. And I have a paid community for new beginning, where, yeah, of course, we are there and will help you who need it. So there are various ways you can join community there. Yeah, try with the free community first. See how much help you are getting, and then you, if you want to upgrade, you can surely. A local fitness coach joined mastermind group and doubled her client base within 6 months due to better focus and engagement. So these groups are really important. So conclusion here, by integrating this natural detox and productivity practices into your daily routine, you can transform your entrepreneur journey. Imagine approaching each day with renewed energy, clear focus, and emotional strength to face challenges head on. This isn't just about working harder, but this is about working smarter, healthier, and for more sustainability in your business. So I wish you all the best for your business. Take the first step today. Commit to one practice from this presentation and watch your productivity rise as your stress falls off. Your business and personal well being will thank you. Yeah, and even your family, your friends, everyone will thank you. What is my call to action over here? Ready to make this transformation? Bring yourself daily, explore herbs that suit your body, adopt one stress reduction techniques this week, share your progress with a community of like-minded entrepreneurs for ongoing support. And hey, don't forget, you have chance to redeem gifts up to worth of $600, and go and find the details at newbeginning.com. That is nubeginning.com. And if you are interested in joining our free AI lab on weekly mornings, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, let me know. And it is only by invitation only. And if you are looking for a really productivity and start your business on fast track, or just within a day, or yeah, less than a week or so, we have a business in a box where all the tools are there, like ready-made e-courses with master resell rights. You can sell them and you can keep the 100% of profit, and it comes with the full toolbox of the sales page and social media post and funnels. Each funnel, if you get it done, it costs like $4,000, and here we are giving 8 funnels. It's all the tools in a box. And if you want to upgrade, yeah, AI upgrade is also possible. So if you are looking to, yeah, scale your business or start your business, this will be a great tool for you. And I'll see you again with a great tip coming up. Thank you, god bless you, and I wish you the best fulfilled life, the life you always dream for, envision for. Thank you, and god bless you. Hey, thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you as part of our community, and whatever way we can help you, serve you, let us know. Please subscribe and let us know how we can help you, what resources you want. We have lots of free resources and also free collaboration joint venture groups you can join and explode your business, because most solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first products, and I don't want that to happen to you. And that's why we have special launch service where you can monetize your digitals and become profitable as fast as within 7 days. And if you want to scale your business, join our membership New Beginning Success Collaboration, where we'll provide you MRR and PLR products and collaborations so that you can scale your business with ease and effortlessly. And hey, if you want to sell your digitals all over the world, yes, we will provide you affiliates more than 200 countries. So everything is possible. Just live your dream, follow your dream, and whichever way we can help you, do let us know. Thank you, and God bless you.